Welcome to Universal's Volcano Bay, an island oasis where thrills and relaxation flow in perfect harmony. It's a theme park like no other, an all-new kind of paradise where every moment is inspired by the belief that water is life and life is joy. Here, near the summit of the Krakatoa volcano, you can test your courage on pulse-pounding rides that take your breath away. But what's truly amazing is what you don't see. No standing in long lines. No carrying rafts around the park. Because with Tapu Tapu on your wrist, you can hold your place in the ride lines. Even reveal wondrous surprises with just a wave of your hand. Here, the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster takes you right through the heart of the volcano. Relaxation has been perfected. All your cares just drift away. Escape to an island getaway where cutting loose and kicking back go hand in hand. And a full day of fun lasts well into the night. Universal's Volcano Bay. The third amazing theme park